keychain giveaway at the end of the video.
Alright, what's up guys? Got a keychain build for you here. I'm going to use some acrylic out of these blanks that I have. I've been cutting them up, making keychains. I'm going to kind of find the center point here. We'll go to the bandsaw, and I'm just going to knock the corners off just so that I have less work to do on the lathe. I find this acrylic to be a little bit tough to turn, but I'm still new at turning. Whoop. Still new at turning though. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to chuck it up. Get everything situated. And then I'm going to run up to roughly 2300, 2400 RPM. And right past that line that I made, I'm just cutting a small tenon for later use on that blank. That's all it is. It's just so I can chuck it up on a slightly different chuck later and turn it into something. This is just kind of a snapshot. I'm just getting it round, getting a very rough shape. All I use are Carbide tools. Currently, I don't have anything else, but eventually I'll grow with the tools and the turning stuff. I'm trying to finish the end up, and here I think that I maybe want to point on it, but ultimately I don't. I cut the point off. Switch from the live center over to a 1/4 inch Forster bit, and I'm going to run this in just long enough for my keychain thingamabobber, whatever it's called, the keychain ring. This is a swivel keychain ring. Just want to make sure it fits okay. And then we're going to start sanding. So I took my time with the sanding. I don't like to show a bunch of sanding, but I did go all the way up to 3000 grit. During this process, we had a huge storm. And my shop actually got a lot of water in it, which was the very first time it's ever happened. And I spent the next few hours cleaning up. And now we are at the next morning. I can get back to what I was doing, which was sanding and trying to polish that thing up. Here I'm using it's literally a car wax, turtle wax rubbing compound. I don't recommend it, but this Johnson's Paste Wax after that, it really helped. And we might as well just polish up the live center. Now I let this wax dry a while before I buffed it off with a paper towel, you know. Not getting too fancy. And cut it off. And there's a little nub. I hit it on the orbital or the belt sander, and then I'm just going to finish it up by hand here and run through a few grits. And add some polish. Got some 5-minute epoxy. Doesn't take much. Just dip a little bit down in there and squeeze it in. And here I notice this seems to happen every time I put too much in, and then it makes it too good of a seal. It wants to push out. So I use a clamp. Yeah. Throw it in a clamp, wait 10 minutes. One finished keychain. It's not perfect, but I think it looks good. I like the red and the black and a little bit of white. Happens to match my colors. I'm going to do a giveaway. The very first person to drop me a comment that says I want it down below is going to get this and a sticker, okay? I know, right? Maybe you missed the giveaway. Well, maybe next time you'll ring that bell. I don't know. I'm not going to give stuff away all the time, but this is fun. This is cool, right? Got to do a giveaway every now and again, guys. Thanks for watching.